In previous video, we have seen how if statement work in C#, and in this video, we'll learn switch statement. So instead of using if-else statement, I can use switch statement on this user number. So switch user number value in that can be any integer, so I'm gonna use case and an integer value 10, and for print console.writeLine your number is 10, and break out of switch statement we use break keyword. Okay, if the number is 10 it prints 10, and if the number is not 10 then we can have a default case. Default console.writeLine your number is not 10, where we can say your number is not 10, and after that break. And when we run this program, enter a number. When I enter 1, it says your number is 10. When your number is not 10 because I entered 1, not 10. And run this again, and if I enter 10 it says your number is 10. So we have seen here how we can use switch statement instead of if-else statements, multiple if-else statements. Thank you for